Hello, thank you for your purchase. First, I will show you how to edit this presentation. First, you have to open After Effects files, choose video or image presentation. Then you have to change placeholder on this image, open and import your file. Next, you have to change the logo, import your logo, and then save all the presentation and export for the motion graphics templates. You have to remember where you save the file. Next, you have to open Premiere Pro and import the motion graphics template. You see this tab, Essential Graphics, and click this button. And next, open, create new sequence, and put for the Premiere Pro timeline the presentation. Next, you see an Essential Graphics tabs, edit, change the color, text, and render. Thank you very much for listening and goodbye.